In a world where one word means so many different things, we bring you this. Why all the hate? This is just a simple keyword that refers to the global object. A equals 7, this.a equals global this.a. Except, the pain has only just begun. Inside a function with strict mode, this equals undefined. Inside a function with sloppy mode, this equals global this. But in an object constructor, you get your object just fine. You pass in a name and an age, you set the object's name and age to what you passed in, the object works fine. Do the same thing with an arrow function. Uncaught type error, person that's not a constructor. This doesn't get its own scope in arrow functions, so all this does is create two variables on global this. If your head wasn't already spinning, functions are objects in JavaScript. You have a function add bc, you return this.a plus bc, but you pass no a in, so what's it doing? Well, if you make this object O, where a key a equals 1, you can use the call method on the add function to apply your own definition of what this means in that function. So this means about 6 different things depending on how you look at it, and that's why this is the worst thing in JavaScript. I generally make more educational code content on JavaScript, Python, and Java. Subscribe to learn more from those languages. Otherwise, ciao.